I created this claymation of myself in just a few minutes using just a couple of reference pictures of myself, and Agent Opus did the rest. It's insane at how well it works. If you don't know what Agent Opus is, they will generate AI videos of all kinds of different styles. I mean, you name it, basically there is an animation style for that with Agent Opus. When I did some of my first tests with this, I was blown away at how well it actually worked. All right, I'll show you exactly how I made this claymation style. So first you're gonna make a Agent Opus account. I am paying for the Pro subscription, which is like $29 a month. I think it's worth it. And I also think for the Pro subscription, you get a lot of credits, because when you are generating AI videos, a lot of these platforms use kind of like a credit system to where you get like 500 credits, and it might cost you 50, 100, 150 credits per basically every time you generate a video. I think for the amount of credits that Agent Opus gives you for a $30 a month plan is pretty good, especially for what you need it for. For what I need it for, it's about perfect. So you're gonna come into Style, and you can see all of these different styles here, which is super cool. If you can think of it, they've probably got an animation style of that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use Claymation here. Something about Claymation, like Shaun the Sheep, Flushed Away, I don't know, that style is just really fun to me. And so that's why I wanted to try this. Here's where you're gonna add reference images of yourself. This is where it kind of gets fun. So you're gonna come here, add character, and you technically probably could get away with like just a couple. I like to add 3 or 4 just for different expressions, different positions that I might be in the frame. And that way it just has as much to work with as possible. And just exit that out. All right, now I'm gonna give it a prompt. This is where you can kind of say what you want that video to be, the style, you know, the lighting, the overall feel of the image, or you can even put in your script. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure it's oriented for 16:9. I'm actually gonna use the CDance 1.5, just because it's gonna use a few less credits. I did run some tests with the 2.0. I didn't necessarily notice a huge difference between the 1.5 and 2.0, so I'm just gonna go with the 1.5. Okay, we're gonna hit go. And now it is going to create a script for the voiceover, because you can opt to choose a voiceover for your ad or animation. So that's what it's going to do. It's going to generate a script, and then I can approve whether that script is what I want it to be or not. The script generation will take a couple minutes as it's sort of formulating what it wants it to say. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is longer than what I want it to be. At the bottom, it says it would be about 2 minutes and 2 seconds. I don't want it to be that long. I'm going for like 30 seconds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take this script and I'm gonna go into Claude and ask it to condense it to a 30-second script. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna grab that, come back over, paste that back in there. Now it says we're about 45 seconds. We can see down here at the bottom, it's gonna cost us about 50 credits for this. And the other cool thing with Agent Opus AI generation is that you can choose these voices for your voiceover. You have
Hello, this is Brittany speaking. I'm an engaging voice.
Almost sounds like she's gonna say Britney Spears, but it says Brittany speaking. I like David. I like David's voice. It's the first one listed, but I think it's just a nice bright voice. I think David's the man for the job, so we're gonna hit apply, and now we're gonna hit confirm, and it will now begin generating this video based off of the script using a Claymation style. It's that easy. I have my timer started here just to just see exactly how long this takes. I'm guessing this is going to take 15, maybe 20 minutes. This part of the process is what takes a little while, which, to be fair, it's literally just pulling an image together out of thin air based off of my script and the reference images, and it has to make like this whole video with transitions, and it's insane how well it does. So, you know, we can be a little bit forgiving on that. So I'm going to circle back in just a second and we'll see how it looks. All right, it finished up and I wasn't far off. It took about 24 minutes to export this 45-second video. I'm gonna go ahead and download this without the watermark, which you can do with the Pro subscription. All right, let's go ahead and watch this and see what we think.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Creating content for YouTube isn't just about making videos. It's about the whole process, the learning, the challenges, and the reward of seeing your work resonate with real people. What drives me most is knowing that something I poured my heart into can genuinely impact someone else's journey. So whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or just someone with a story to tell, start creating. Don't wait for perfect. The late nights, the early mornings, the hard work, it's all worth it. The world needs your voice. So what are you waiting for?
All right, not bad. The tricky thing with AI is that every time you do it, it's going to be a little bit different. You can kind of see here some of the examples I'll just play right here, where you can see the other versions that it created of me or my studio space, and even how it had me moving in the animation. This one felt like I was just kind of floating around with my mouth, not doing a lot. But again, just refine your script. Try it again and you'll keep getting some better options. I know it took me a couple times before I felt like I had something I liked. I like the overall attention to detail. It has like that Edison light that's in the background there. You know, the window with the curtains, the movie posters on the wall, like that's all what's in my office, of the camera on the table and the light. So it's definitely doing really well analyzing what's in the background. In the background of this shot right here, you can see it's literally got my lamp, movie posters. I mean, it very much recreated one of the reference images I gave it, which is cool. I mean, it even has a similar like blue scene on the computer in the background. So the fact that Agent Opus is able to just take a reference image, analyze it, kind of make it its own is pretty cool. So I think Agent Opus does a phenomenal job. And again, you can do other animation styles. Here's some other animation styles I did. I'll play right here for you. And again, I put my reference image into it just so that every video had my face and we would just see how it handled that. So I think if you're a content creator, a YouTuber, you have a business, a small business, you want to incorporate some very creative ads for social media, because again, you can make these vertical, you can make them horizontal. I think Agent Opus is a really, really cool tool. I don't think you should overlook it. I think you should definitely test the waters and see what you think. If you guys want to try Agent Opus and sign up for it, use my affiliate link in the description. Again, this isn't sponsored by them. I just wanted to make this myself, but I do get a kickback from the affiliate link. So if you're going to sign up, just use that. I appreciate it in advance. Thank you so much. And if there's another AI software you want me to try out, drop it in the comments and I'll see if I can test that one out as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll let YouTube decide which one is the best for you to watch. I appreciate your time and I'll see you in the next one.